Welcome to Forno Venetzia, designed and engineered in Italy and a leading manufacturer of wood-burning ovens. Turin, Italy is renowned for its architecture and cuisine, and the Torino continues to honor the heritage. Elegance, style, and performance seamlessly combine to deliver an oven that will quickly become your favorite appliance. The principal ingredient for all your culinary adventures. Start with a well-dried hardwood. The door should only be used for baking at lower temperatures. Using kindling and paper, start your fire. A traditional flue design provides superior heat retention and better fuel consumption. Once your fire is burning well, move it to the left side of the oven and continue to preheat your oven. With your oven thoroughly heated, you're ready to begin your culinary adventure. More than just pizza, your Forno Venetzia can cook anything, from stir-fried vegetables to seafood, to meats, appetizers, and desserts. The pairing of delicious flavors with the ambience of a real wood fire will capture your imagination. Large enough for 4 pizzas or several dishes at once. Cast iron or terracotta cookware works best. Wood-fired ovens are one of the world's oldest cooking methods. A technique used by many cultures that has stood the test of time over thousands of years. Bake, roast, broil, or grill. Once you've tasted your favorite meal prepared in a Forno Venetzia wood-fired oven, you'll notice the difference. Passion for design, passion for food, passion for life. Forno Venetzia wood-fired ovens. Ignite your culinary passions.